To access the webhooks, you'll need to go to the settings of your project and click on Webhooks tab. Webhooks in Qase allow you to create a connection between your own third-party applications and Qase, so that when a specific event takes place in Qase, it also sends a request to an endpoint on the other side that you defined for that particular event. To create one is very easy. To begin, click the Create a New Webhook button, give it a title, and then add the endpoint where Qase should send a request upon a defined event happening. You can also add a secret that will help validate the incoming request. In the Event section, you can set up a trigger for Qase to send a request to the endpoint. It can be one or it can be multiple. When you're done selecting all your triggers, you can go ahead to create the webhook. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles and our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message